Hi everyone, Abby here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Now I recently got off of Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas, and I'm going to be giving you guys a room tour of the cabin that I stayed in, which was an interior cabin. And I'm also going to give you a little sneak peek of an ocean view as well. But before I get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, so you can stay tuned to all my new videos dropping weekly and so you can help the channel grow. So I stayed in cabin 3809. And one thing you'll notice when you get in the room is that you can't turn on the lights, you can't use the air conditioner or anything like that unless you have a card in the little thing here by the door. And directly behind the door here, you can find a little do not disturb magnet you can put outside your door, as well as your muster station. The bathroom here stepping in, it is pretty spacious for an interior. The last one I stayed in was a lot smaller. It was nice and clean. It did have lots of storage space. It had plugs that you can use for, razors, shavers. Came with a little soap bar, lots of towels. In the bathroom, there is a kind of a 2-in-1 body wash, shampoo, all that stuff there that you can use. Make sure to bring conditioner because they don't have that there. It does have a removable shower head that you can use and move around, and it's height adjustable as well. And there is a nice sliding door there, no shower curtain you got to worry about here. Now coming into the room here, there's a nice full body mirror right outside the bathroom there. And if you're finding this video helpful so far, please go ahead and smash that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. We also have some storage on both sides of the bed. So this is our first closet here. So in this closet, you're going to see some shelves, and you're also going to see your safe here and a little bit of hanging storage as well. At the bottom, there are some pull-out drawers as well. There are kind of nightstands on both sides of the bed, as well as lights that you can turn on. And on this side of the room, there's a lot more hanging storage room here. So we do have a little couch here in the corner of the room. On the other side of it, there is a mirror, a vanity. We have some more drawers. You can find in one of them a hair dryer, and you can also find a little mini fridge here. Now coming over to the bed, this is a kind of Royal Caribbean king, so it's kind of like two twins pushed together. It was a pretty comfortable bed. You can, separate them if you want to have them or have them together depending on the configuration you're looking for here. And here is what a ocean view looks like. When I was disembarking the ship, I did see a bunch of rooms open, and I came in here real quick just to show you guys the layout here. You can see there is the window here offering lots of nice lighting, but otherwise very similar kind of size to the interior room. In my opinion, it felt very similar. And that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.